This is Billy Bryson, Bryson Team Real Estate and Home Loans, with a message about your neighbor's home at 1054 Cherry Avenue in Long Beach. We've just put these properties up for sale. It's actually a duplex, and the sellers wanted you guys to be the first to know about it. So stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'll be showing some pictures of the home. We're also offering the house at a great price, and it's packed full of upgrades and special features. So if you or anyone you know might be interested in buying a duplex or a property in the neighborhood, please let me know, and we could provide you with a detailed property information package, or even arrange a private viewing for you. So if you also may be considering a move in the near future and would like to get an idea of what you could expect to sell your home for, I'd be more than happy to provide you with a free home evaluation along with some tips on what you can do to get top dollar for your property. So I look forward to hearing from you soon. Again, this is Billy Bryson at 562-248-6161. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.